welcome to my very first travel vlog. Thanks for joining me today. This vlog is based on the very first day of a 2-week cruise that we did. We went on the Adriatic affair and sailed the 3 seas. So this is the first day. So when we flew from Manchester to Dubrovnik, the video or the vlog itself is really short. I didn't film as much as what I would have liked to. But they will get better. Like I say, it's the very first vlog we've done, so I'm nervous, and I wish I would have filmed more about the day, what we did during the day, more in the airport, more on the cruise ship. But each day there's more footage, and I'll be taking you around on the excursions that we've done throughout the 2-week cruise. So be kind, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. On our way to Dubrovnik from Manchester Airport. Our flight was very early on this one. It was 6:05 in the morning, and we were due to arrive in Dubrovnik at, I think it was 10:05 in the morning. So we flew on the Boeing 787, which was really nice because we had entertainment on the plane as well, which we weren't expecting. We didn't think we'd get any entertainment whatsoever, so it was a nice surprise. You had to pay for the headphones to listen to the entertainment. I think that were about £3.50 per headset, so it was well worth it. And I also surprised Gemma with a nice bottle of champagne, which was nice to celebrate the holiday. Me and Gemma just arriving at Dubrovnik port. We had a bit of a delay in the port. We were stuck on a coach for just over 3 hours, so it wasn't the best start to the holiday. We had no water and no aircon, and we eventually got on the ship for around about 2:30 in the afternoon. So from leaving Manchester at 6:05 in the morning, the day was very, very long, but we were excited now because we were getting on the ship, and this was our first cruise together. Well, first cruise for both of us, so we were so excited and we couldn't wait to get on there to get a drink. I got sunshine on my face. This is it, guys. We're so excited now, just about to approach the ship and board. As you can see, we're very happy now, big smiles on the face, and we finally very close to getting a drink and getting on the ship and exploring. So can't wait for you to see the rest. On the ship now, we've just been told to go to the Broadway Show Lounge to watch our muster video. So when you arrive on any cruise ship, you need to watch your muster video. So that's where we're going to now, is the Broadway Show Lounge, and then after that we'll be directed to our muster station. Go.
Ready?
Yep. Keep it in.
Let's try yours.
It's alright, this. It's nice and cosy, isn't it?
Quite light to say it's an inside cabin as
Yeah.
well. I'm not unhappy with that.
I quite like this. It's nice and cosy.
Yeah.
It's supposed to on, yeah.
Because those are quite chunky.
Yeah, it's supposed to fit under.
We're going to bring the cases in, or do you want to film a bit of inside the cabin? Oh, there we go. There's the rest.
Two what?
I was just wondering. I thought there was just two excursions that we booked, but there's not more.
That one's a nice size as well.
Is it?
Yeah, it's bigger than what I thought.
It's alright, and it's glass shower screen as well.
It's alright, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's a lot brighter.
Yeah, it's brighter than I expected, I've got to be honest. What are these?
I think it's just for newsletters and things, isn't it?
Oh, right.
Is it always fun?
Oh, it's probably, yeah. It's not, it makes sense, wouldn't it?
I just need to...
Tell you what, like coffee is.
Well, we're on deck 14 now, walking around the Explorer 2. We've had a wash and a shower and changed, ready to walk around the cruise ship and get our bearings. We've got a drink in our hand, but I'm not 100% certain what that actually is. It might have been a free drink, or it's probably on the premium drinks, but I'm not sure what it is. It could be a pineapple drink or some form of apple juice. Anyway, we're walking around the ship now, just having a look around. The weather was amazing. I think it was around about 32, 34 degrees. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. There's not many clouds in the sky. This is Gemma. She doesn't actually know I'm doing this at the time because I walked in front of her and I thought I'd try slow-mo walk. I've seen lots of them on YouTube, so she wasn't too happy when I did this. Bless her.
Never seen anything like this. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Come and get a new design. Shimmer, level up, feels right. This is what the future looks like. Come and get a new design.
This is a speeded up version of the tour around Marella's Champagne and Gym, which I think is on deck 14. We're speeded up, otherwise the video will be far too long. So you get a little insight into the treatment rooms and also the hydrothermal spa that you can do. We were going to do it, I think it was for one day, it might have been about £35, or you could book for a week or 2 weeks and you could get a treatment included in that, which was obviously more money, or you could just pay for a treatment, or you could pay for a day pass to the thermal or a week's pass. So this is a little tour speeded up around the Champagne Spa. This is me and Gemma having our first meal on the Marella cruise ship. This is the Beach Club. It's a paid specialty restaurant. I think it was £15.95 each, and it was well worth it. The food was amazing, fresh. The staff were incredible. They were so happy. And we ended up booking it again on the second week. Coming up, there's a menu, so if you want to pause and see what was on offer.
You've got, it looks like, you've got avocado, and then you've got tomato, onion, big peppers, like really fine top.
I was really tempted to go for that, because that. I'm all right, I might go for that next time.
Yeah.
The ribs are really nice. The beef slider.
Yeah, as mushrooms are really tasty. I really wanted, I was tempted by the sliders.
For the side with the coastal and jacket potato for you having a chip and toast. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
That's
nice.
I'm kind of looking at yours.
You get food and everything.
Yeah, I'm kind of looking at yours and thinking, oh, I wish I'd have gone for that.
Yeah, I have big chunks of salmon.
And I kind of wish I had gone for the chips and all those things. I was trying to be healthy.
I know you
Your
were.
chips look good.
You can have some of this. Sure. What did you go for? The beef coleslaw or jacket potato?
Yeah,
Just
I'm
beef.
just do you want to try some?
Yeah, I'd love to. I've got the salmon, prawn, chips and the coleslaw. Oh, thank you very much, Jen. You're a good man, thank you.
What are you saying actually you want some of my beef?
Well, I do, yes. I want some of your beef. You have some of my salmon, I'll have some of your
Right,
beef.
okay. I've already put into it, but it's very nice.
What have you gone for? Try it.
No, double
For this particular restaurant that we're in and the other specialty restaurants on the Marella, I've uploaded all the menus to our Facebook group, which is Cruise, Travel and Explore. Also on that particular group is the excursions for each port, and I've taken screenshots of those which shows you what's involved with that excursion and the pricing. So if you want to see any of those, please just head over to the Facebook group. You can have a download or browse them.
I know that it can be there someday. You've been waiting.